Welcome to today's video where we're diving into 10 advanced English nouns that will upgrade your vocabulary to a professional level. These aren't your everyday simple words. These are powerful, precise, and incredibly useful in real-world conversations, academic writing, and even job interviews. If you're at a B2 or C1 level and want to sound more fluent and expressive in English, this lesson is for you. I won't just give you definitions. I'll explain each word deeply, give you examples, and then bring them to life with a short story that uses all 10 nouns in context. By the end of this video, you won't just understand these words, you'll know how to use them naturally. Let's get started. Resilience. It's the ability to recover from setbacks, adapt well to change, and keep going in the face of adversity. The synonym is determination. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about growing stronger. It's commonly used when talking about mental strength or how individuals, teams, or systems respond to challenges. For example, during hard economic times or after personal losses, resilient people can stay focused and move forward. Examples: her resilience after being rejected by multiple companies eventually led her to land her dream job. In tough markets, companies with financial resilience are the ones that survive. Trajectory. It is the path or progression of something over time, especially in terms of development or success. Its synonym is path or route. We often use this word in professional or academic settings when describing career paths, business growth, or even personal development. It's a metaphor taken from physics, like the arc of a rocket. Examples: his career trajectory changed dramatically after he published his first research paper. The startup's financial trajectory impressed the investors. Catalyst. A person or thing that causes a significant change or action to happen quickly. The synonym is motivator. Though it comes from chemistry, catalyst is often used to describe events, ideas, or people who spark change or action, often unexpectedly. Examples: the manager's resignation was the catalyst for company-wide reforms. Her speech acted as a catalyst for the community's involvement in the project. Dilemma. It's a difficult situation or choice between two or more alternatives. The synonym is problem. Dilemma usually implies that none of the available options is perfect or easy. It's a classic word used when someone is stuck or facing a decision with trade-offs. Examples: he faced a dilemma: take the promotion and move abroad or stay close to his family. The company's dilemma was whether to raise prices or risk going bankrupt. Inevitability. It's the quality of being certain to happen, unavoidable. The synonym is inescapability. This word gives a strong tone of realism or fatalism. It's often used in business forecasts, history, or life situations to highlight something that cannot be avoided. Examples: he accepted the inevitability of change in a fast-moving industry. The inevitability of aging is something we all must learn to embrace. Ramification. It's a consequence of an action or event, especially when complex or unwelcome. The synonym is consequence. Ramifications are the ripple effects, often negative, of decisions. Politicians, leaders, and strategists often speak of political or legal ramifications. Examples: the new tax law has serious ramifications for small businesses. He didn't consider the long-term ramifications of quitting school. Notion. It's an idea, belief, or opinion about something, often vague or speculative. The synonym is concept. Notion is slightly more informal than concept and is often used when discussing philosophies, innovations, or even misunderstandings. Examples: she dismissed the notion that success only comes with luck. The notion of working from home was once rare but is now mainstream. Endeavor. It's an attempt to achieve a goal through effort or determination. The synonym is strive. This word has a formal tone and is frequently used in academic, business, or motivational contexts to talk about serious projects or goals. Examples: building the nonprofit organization was her life's greatest endeavor. Scientific endeavor requires both patience and creativity. Ambiguity. It's the quality of being open to more than one interpretation, unclear or inexact. The synonym is vagueness. Often used in writing, politics, and law, ambiguity reflects confusion, hidden meaning, or deliberate vagueness. Examples: the ambiguity of his answer made everyone suspicious. Legal documents must avoid ambiguity to prevent loopholes. Precedent. It's an earlier event or action that is regarded as an example or guide for future situations. The synonym is model. It's used mostly in legal and formal settings. It refers to decisions or actions that set the standard or expectations for future ones. Examples: the court's decision set a powerful precedent for future cases. There's no precedent for how to handle a situation like this in our company. Now let's review them together. Resilience, trajectory, catalyst, dilemma, inevitability, ramification, notion, endeavor, ambiguity, precedent. Now time for the story where you will listen to an interesting story and the words will all be included. Let's begin. At 28, Maya was admired for her resilience. After losing her job during the pandemic, she refused to let despair take over. She mapped out a new trajectory for herself, one that involved launching a tech startup to help freelancers find remote work. The idea was simple, but it became a catalyst for a larger movement in her city. More young professionals began freelancing and seeking purpose-driven careers. But with growth came a dilemma. Should she scale quickly and risk losing control, or grow slowly and protect her company's values? The inevitability of competition meant she couldn't wait forever. Every decision carried ramifications. Hiring too fast brought cultural issues. Delaying investment cost her some partnerships. Still, she held on to the notion that staying authentic was the best long-term strategy. Despite the ambiguity of the market, she treated her business as more than a profit machine. It was a personal endeavor to change lives. Her approach soon set a new precedent in the local startup scene, one where success was measured not just by money, but by impact. And in the end, her resilience didn't just help her survive, it helped her lead. This all for today, guys. I hope that the lesson was helpful for you. Try to form sentences using the new words for you in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.